Today, the healthcare industry is evolving at an unprecedented pace. New treatments have the capacity to transform patient outcomes, but the journey to market has never been more complex or uncertain. The great challenges of modern medicine no longer lie only in the discovery of novel treatments. We must also find ways to bring these treatments to market while maintaining safety, quality, and value. At Lonza, we are meeting this challenge by supporting new and complex treatments on the path to commercialization. This is how we enable our customers to help their patients live healthier lives. Our global business is structured to support our customers in 4 key areas. In biologics, we accelerate and de-risk the path from drug substance development to drug product supply for complex modalities, including mammalian, microbial, mRNA, and bioconjugates. In small molecules, we support the journey from early development to commercial supply with drug substance, drug product, and particle engineering services. In cell and gene, we support and equip our customers to develop, de-risk, commercialize, and scale their emerging therapies. And in capsules and health ingredients, we deliver dosage solutions and science-backed health ingredients to support the pharma and nutrition markets. Looking across our divisions, our broad expertise is designed to support complex customer needs across the entire treatment lifecycle. We do this by focusing on 5 strategic priorities. The first is service. We prioritize operational excellence to deliver quality, value, and right first time. The second is scope. We have an unparalleled breadth of offerings across services and modalities. The third is sustainability. We strive to create long-term value environmentally, socially, and economically. The fourth is solutions. We have the scientific, regulatory, and manufacturing expertise to solve our customers' challenges. And finally, speed. We enable our customers to accelerate the path to commercialization. These 5 priorities are delivered by our global community of more than 17,000 colleagues, working across a network of more than 35 locations spanning 5 continents. Our people are our greatest asset. Together, we work to deliver our vision, to bring any therapy to life. Together, we are united by our purpose, to enable a healthier world. Together for our customers and their patients, this is Lonza.
All you need to do is you come to Google and type in lonza.com. It brings you to this page. Then you come to the career section, tap on jobs and the job search. Then you come to you filter by depending on what location you intend traveling to. So there's Australia, there's Belgium, there's Brazil, there's Canada, and the list continues. So let's assume in my own case I want to travel to Switzerland or Singapore or Spain. So let's just pick one for an example. I select Switzerland. It filters it down. Now the next thing I'll be looking for is am I looking for a full-time or a part-time? In this case, you intend traveling out, so it should be full-time. The job type, you are looking for a permanent employment. You tap on it, it filters, and the next thing is your career area. Now this career area is where it is going to be different for different individuals. So in this case, we could fall under the IT section, the human resources, the finance, engineering. It depends on you. So let's assume in this case I want to go for engineering. It's going to filter to tell me the jobs that are available. So you see we are having up to 5 jobs here. Let's assume I want to go for the director or senior bioengineer, depending on what aspect you want to go for. Please, you should also note that this company is mainly employing skilled workers that have certifications. So it is not employing unskilled workers. So if you're applying for this job, you should make sure you fall under the skilled workers. So if you should come to this particular area, you read through, and the next thing you need to, if you see if you meet the requirements, then the next thing you need to do is to simply do what? You apply. It's as easy as this. Then you apply. If you have any question, please leave your question in the comment section below. I'm going to try as much as I can to assist you. Then you sign in. If you know you don't have an account with them, you come to create an account. You tap on create an account, you create an account. You create an account, they'll send you an email, you verify the email, then you come back to log in. When filling the form, if you are confused at any point, you can simply send me a message via the link that we paste, which is a link to your WhatsApp platform, or you can simply write where you're confused at the comment section below. Also, please do remember to give the video a thumbs up and do subscribe. Thank you for listening.